Oh, my one. Okay. จิเลียบจาโลคุ Okay, จิเลียบจาโลคุ So here I am at Worachak Road. I am waiting for a very, very special dessert just right outside of Yawarak. And Ate has been selling NO for 70 years from her grandfather to her father and now herself. So I have to explain what is a bird nest. Bird nest is saliva of a swallow that the swallow spits out to build the nest. This very delicate white thing that is a bird nest, and we eat it with our large yellow beans which we call bakwing. This is 100 baht. Look, there's the egg. It has many health benefits. Moisturizes your skin. Oh. Oh, it is absolutely amazing.